In this video, I will show you how to set a custom profile image avatar for a user using the standard WordPress media upload tool. So this is a very famous and useful plugin to use profile picture. Search this one user profile picture, install, then activate this plugin. After activation, move cursor to settings. Here click on user profile picture. You have these two options. First one, Gutenberg blocks. You can enable or disable. Select this option if you don't want to use profile picture to show up in the Gutenberg or don't plan on using the blocks. And also guys, you can disable image size. Select this option to disable the 4 image size user profile picture creates. Then click on Save Changes. Now move cursor here in this right side top corner, click on Edit Profile. Now here click to edit profile picture, and you can use your own custom profile picture. Then click on Update Profile. So this way you can use custom profile picture in WordPress. Thanks for watching.